On a clear, dark night, far from city lights, the sky reveals its true majesty. A tapestry of stars, each a distant sun. These stars have guided us, inspired myths, and sparked the birth of science. When we gaze upward, we're not just looking out, we're looking back in time. The light from nearby stars takes years to reach us, from distant ones, centuries or millennia. The universe is a time machine, and our eyes are its windows. Our journey isn't one of rockets, but of imagination, built from decades of scientific discovery. We'll use data from powerful telescopes and the laws of physics to guide us. This is not science fiction, but the universe's own story, told through astronomy. We travel at the speed of thought, guided by real stars and galaxies. Our starting point, a small blue world, Earth, a fragile oasis in the vastness of space. Everything we know, every person we love, every triumph and tragedy has unfolded here. The ground feels solid, the sky distant, but this is an illusion of scale. We live on a tiny speck, spinning through an immense cosmos. To appreciate our home, we must leave it. See it as it truly is, a planet, suspended in darkness. The universe's scale is almost beyond comprehension. We measure our lives in years, our world in kilometers, but the cosmos deals in light years. This is a journey of immense distances and mind-bending scales. As we begin, let's hold on to wonder and embrace our smallness. In understanding our smallness, we glimpse the grandeur of the universe and our place within it. The journey begins now, with a single step away from Earth. We rise from Earth, watching continents and oceans shrink below. The curve of our planet appears, wrapped in a thin blue line, our atmosphere, the shield that makes life possible. From above, borders vanish, conflicts fade. We see one interconnected world, a blue marble in the blackness. This view has forever changed those who've seen it firsthand. Higher still, we enter Earth's orbit, where thousands of satellites silently circle. Among them, the International Space Station, a symbol of human cooperation and our urge to explore. The ISS orbits Earth every 90 minutes, its crew witnessing 16 sunrises and sunsets each day. Now, we turn outward, to our nearest neighbor, the Moon, 384,000 kilometers away. Light takes just over a second to travel from the Moon to Earth. The Apollo missions crossed this gulf in 3 days, humanity's only voyages to another world. The Moon is a silent, cratered world, preserving the history of the early solar system. From near the Moon, Earth is a distant, shining jewel, the only known home to life. Every work of art, every discovery, every life is contained on that fragile sphere. This perspective is humbling, reminding us of Earth's preciousness. Already our sense of place in the cosmos is shifting. We are not the center of the universe, we are inhabitants of a small planet in a vast and ancient cosmos. And our journey has only just begun. There is so much more to see. Let's continue outward. Leaving the Earth-Moon system, we venture into the solar system. At its heart is the Sun, a colossal ball of hot gas, holding 99.8% of the solar system's mass. Its gravity binds planets, comets and dust. Its energy powers life on Earth. We pass the inner rocky planets, Mercury, scorched and cratered, Venus, shrouded in toxic clouds, Earth, vibrant and blue, Mars, a cold desert with canyons and volcanoes. Mars fascinates us. It may once have been like Earth. Beyond Mars lies the asteroid belt, filled with rocky remnants from the solar system's birth. Next, the gas giants, Jupiter, massive and stormy, with its great red spot. Saturn, adorned with magnificent rings of ice and rock. Beyond Saturn, the ice giants, Uranus and Neptune, cold worlds of water, ammonia, and methane. Neptune is the last of the great planets. From here, the Sun is just a bright star, its warmth faint. We are now on the cold, dark frontier of our solar system. The scale is staggering, distances measured in billions of kilometers. Yet even here, we are only at the edge of our local neighborhood. The journey continues, into deeper darkness. What lies beyond? Beyond Neptune, we enter the Kuiper Belt, a vast region of icy bodies, including Pluto. Pluto, once the 9th planet, is now known as one of many frozen worlds here. These objects are time capsules from the solar system's formation. Here, we find Voyager 1 and 2, humanity's most distant emissaries, launched in 1977. They gave us our first close-up views of the outer planets, and now travel through the solar system's edge. Each carries a golden record, a message for any who might find them. The Voyagers are still within the sun's influence, inside the heliosphere, a bubble created by the solar wind. This bubble shields us from harsh interstellar radiation. At the heliopause, the solar wind meets interstellar space, the true edge of our solar system. Voyager 1 crossed this boundary in 2012, Voyager 2 in 2018. Now, they drift between the stars, sending faint signals home. We have left the sun's kingdom, adrift in the Milky Way. Ahead, distances are measured in light years, not kilometers. The galaxy awaits. Our solar system is now a faint point behind us. We are in the space between stars, where the nearest, Proxima Centauri, is over 4 light-years away. The Milky Way surrounds us, a barred spiral galaxy, home to hundreds of billions of stars. Our sun is just one among them, orbiting the galactic center every 230 million years. From within, we see the Milky Way as a dense band across the night sky. Our solar system lies in the Orion Arm, 27,000 light-years from the center. Toward the center, stars crowd together. At the core lies a supermassive black hole, Sagittarius A. Its gravity binds the galaxy. We can't see the black hole directly, but we observe its influence on nearby stars. From above the galactic plane, the Milky Way's spiral arms and glowing core are revealed. Blue stars and pink nebulae trace the arms. Older yellow stars fill the center. The galaxy is a dynamic, rotating island of stars, one of countless such islands in the universe. The last time our solar system was here, dinosaurs roamed Earth. Our galaxy is immense, beautiful, and ever-changing, but it is just one among many. We leave the Milky Way, venturing into intergalactic space. Our nearest major neighbor is the Andromeda Galaxy, 2.5 million light-years away. The light we see from Andromeda began its journey when our ancestors first walked the Earth. Andromeda is a majestic spiral, larger than our own, home to 1 trillion stars. Together, Andromeda and the Milky Way anchor the local group, a cluster of over 80 galaxies bound by gravity. These galaxies are not static. Andromeda and the Milky Way are on a slow-motion collision course set to merge in 4.5 billion years. When they do, few stars will collide. Space is vast. Galactic mergers shape the universe, creating new forms and structures. The local group is just one part of a much larger cosmic web. As we zoom out, galaxies cluster into groups, and groups into even larger structures. We're about to glimpse the universe's grand architecture. The scale grows ever more immense. Our local group shrinks to a dot as we see the Virgo supercluster, a vast collection of galaxy groups and clusters, 110 million light-years across. At its heart is the Virgo cluster, packed with thousands of galaxies, many shaped by past mergers. Superclusters are not spheres, but sprawling, filamentary structures. In 2014, astronomers defined an even larger structure, the Laniakea supercluster, immeasurable heaven, spanning 520 million light-years and containing 100,000 galaxies. All within Laniakea move toward a mysterious region called the Great Attractor. The universe is organized in a hierarchy: stars in galaxies, galaxies in clusters, clusters in superclusters. Gravity binds each level together. Our cosmic address, a planet in the Milky Way, in the local group, on the edge of the Virgo supercluster within Laniakea. The scale is staggering, our place ever more intricate, yet we are part of this grand arrangement. The universe's structure is revealed as we zoom out, but there is still more to see. Now, we pull back to the largest scale, hundreds of millions, even billions, of light-years. Superclusters form a cosmic web, a vast three-dimensional network of filaments and voids. Galaxies are strung along these filaments, like beads on cosmic threads. At the intersections we find the universe's largest structures, clusters and superclusters. Between filaments lie immense voids, nearly empty of galaxies. Most matter is found in the filaments. The universe is mostly empty space. This web arose from tiny fluctuations after the Big Bang, amplified by gravity over billions of years. The visible galaxies are just the frosting. The web is built of dark matter, invisible but detectable by its gravity. Dark matter acts as a cosmic scaffold, shaping the universe's structure. We are seeing the skeleton of the cosmos, galaxies as its shining lights. The grand design is both beautiful and mysterious, and it all began with a single spark. Our journey spans billions of light years from Earth to the edge of the observable universe. There is an edge, not of space itself, but of what we can see, because light travels at a finite speed. The further we look, the further back in time we see. Beyond the most distant galaxies lies a faint, uniform glow, the cosmic microwave background, or CMB. This is the oldest light in the universe, the afterglow of the Big Bang, released 380,000 years after time began. The CMB is a wall of light, the edge of our observable universe, a snapshot of the infant cosmos. Tiny ripples in the CMB were the seeds of all structured galaxies, clusters, the cosmic web. Our journey, from a single planet to the afterglow of creation, offers a profound perspective. We live on a tiny speck in a vast, ancient cosmos. Yet, through science and curiosity, we've pieced together this incredible story.